friends, welcome to Cbse.
Today let's study 6th chapter, Fun with Give and Take. Cricket match. In a cricket match, Sri Lanka made 235 runs. In a cricket match, Sri Lanka got how many runs? 235 runs. India has made 123 runs. How many more runs does India need to win? India has made 123 runs, and how many more runs are needed for India to win the game? That is a question. So, Sri Lanka took already 235 runs. To win, India have to get how many runs? 236 runs. That is one more than the runs got by Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka got 235. So, 235 plus 1 equals 236 runs are needed for India to win the game. So, now India got 123 runs. So, to win the game, India needs 236 minus 123 runs. Right? That is how much? So, let's do the subtraction. We will write 236 minus 123. And we will always start from the which part? Ones. So, in the ones part, first is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 equals?
3.
Then tens, 3 minus 2 equals? 1. And in the hundreds part, 2 minus 1 equals? 1. So, the runs needed by India to win the game is equal to 113 runs. Did you get it?
Yes.
Try it yourself. Geeta had rupees 368 in her purse. How much rupees was with Geeta? Rupees
368.
She bought a book for rupees 123. How much money is left in her purse? She bought a book for 123 rupees, and now how much money is left with her is the question. We know that total money that she had on her purse is 368, and the money spent for a book is equal to rupees 123. So, money left is equal to rupees 368 minus rupees 123. See here how we will do the subtraction. In the ones part, 8 minus 3 equals 5. Tens, 6 minus 2 equals 4. And in the hundreds part, 3 minus 1 equals
2.
So, total money left with Geeta is 245 rupees. Can you help Nabila? Nabila's mother sent her to the market to buy some things. She gave her rupees 245. Nabila's mother had sent her to the market to buy some things, and she gave her how much rupees? Rupees 245. Nabila bought 1 kilogram ghee for rupees 127. The shopkeeper gave her back rupees 98. Did the shopkeeper give her the right amount? That is a question we have to answer. See, first Nabila had how much rupees with her? Rupees 245. And she went and brought 1 kilogram ghee. And what is the cost of the ghee?
127.
So, how much money is left with Nabila now? How we will find it out?
We will minus.
Minus what from what?
245 minus 127.
Yes. So, we will do that. 245 minus 127. See, in the ones part, it is 5 and 7. Can we minus 7 from 5?
No.
Then what we will do?
We will borrow 1 from the tens.
Yes. We will borrow 1 from the tens. So, 5 will become
50.
Now, subtract 7 from 15. 15 minus 7 equals 8. Then, coming to the tens. We already borrowed 1 tens from the tens part. So now how much tens are left in 245?
3.
Okay. And 3 minus 2 equals
1.
1. And in the hundreds part, 2 minus 1 equals
1.
so, 118 rupees have to be with Nabila after buying 1 kilogram ghee. And see, in this question, the shopkeeper gave her back only rupees 98. Or she have to get how much rupees back? Yes, she have to get 118 rupees. Instead, the shopkeeper gave her only rupees 98. Did the shopkeeper give her the right amount? No, the shopkeeper didn't give her the right amount. How much more money should the shopkeeper give Nabila? The shopkeeper have to give rupees 118, but he had given her only 98 rupees. So how much more money should the shopkeeper give Nabila?
20.
118 minus 98 equals 20. Practice time. Baby tortoise is 33 years old. Mummy tortoise is 150 years old. How much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? Age of mummy tortoise is 150 years. Age of baby tortoise is 33 years. To know how much younger is baby tortoise, we have to subtract 133 from 150. How we will subtract it? It's shown there. 150 minus 33. One's part of 150 is 0 and that of 33 is 3. We know that we can't subtract 3 from 0. So we will borrow from tens. So now it will become 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Now in the tens part, it's only 4. 4 minus 3 equals 1. And hundredth part 1, that we will write directly downwards. So total 117 years. The baby tortoise is 170 years younger than the mummy tortoise. And you know one thing? Tortoise is a animal which have the greatest lifespan. It can live up to 200 to 250 years. Aravind has read 69 pages of a storybook. Gauri has read 95 pages of that storybook. Who has read more pages and how many more? See, Aravind had read how much pages of book? 69 pages. And Gauri has read 95 pages of that same book. Then, who has read more pages and how many more? Who has read more pages? Gauri. It's direct question. Gauri has read 95 pages and Aravind has read 69 pages. So, Gauri has read more pages. And how many more? How we will find it out? 95 minus 69. In the ones part it is 5. So, we'll borrow 1 from the tens. So, it will become 15. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. And in the tens part, now it is 8. 8 minus 6 equals 2. So, 26 pages more. Reena noted the electricity meter readings of her house. Last month's reading was 118 units. This month's reading is 193 units. How much electricity did she use in 1 month? See, this is Reena's electricity meter. So, on the last month its reading was 118 and this month its reading is 193. So, how much electricity units she had used in 1 month? How we will find it out? 193 minus 118 equals 75. So, she used 75 units of electricity that month. Khushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125 and trousers for rupees 165. How much money did she spend altogether? See, here's a different question. So, Khushbu spent rupees 125 on her shirt and rupees 165 on trousers. How much money did she spend altogether? Which one we will use, whether we will use addition or subtraction?
Addition.
Yes, we have to get the total value, that is all together how much is spent. So we have to add 165 and 125. So bought a shirt for rupees 125, bought a trousers for rupees 165, and now on adding these we will get 290 rupees. So she spent rupees 290 altogether for buying shirt and trousers. Solve the following. Let's solve it. 17 minus 3 equals 14. 14 plus 3 equals 17. 39 minus 10 equals 29. 12 plus 24 equals 36. 86 minus 58 equals 28. 139 minus 110 equals 29. 237 plus 213. We have to see carefully which operation we have to do, whether it is a plus or minus sign. 237 plus 213 equals to 450. 325 minus 204 equals 121. 474 minus 136 equals 338. 642 minus 413 equals 229. 49 plus 20 equals 69. 135 plus 146 equals 281. Check your answers yourself. How we will check it? 236 minus 114, we got it as 122. We have to check whether our answer is correct or not. How we will do? What is the answer we got? We will add it with the second number. See, 122 is the answer and we will add it with the 114. And we will get the first number, the bigger number. That is 236. Let's explain it with a very simple calculation. See, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. We have to check whether our answer is correct or not. So, what we will do? We will add the answer, which is answer 2, with the smaller number, which is a smaller number 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, which is the bigger number. Then our calculation is correct. Let's check 340 minus 28 equals 312. How we will check it? The answer is 312. We will add it with the smaller number 28 and we will get the larger number 340. So our calculation is correct. Thank you for watching our video. Please stay tuned for the next part. If you like the video,
Like, share, subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.